Sink or float? Fun with science. Did you ever wonder why some things sink in water and others float? It's all about science. Let's find out more about this fun experiment. When we put things in water, like toys or fruits, they can either sink down to the bottom or float on the surface. The reason behind this is something called density. Density is how much stuff is packed into an object. If something is heavy and has a lot of stuff packed into it, it will sink. But if something is light and has less stuff packed into it, it will float. For example, a rock is heavy and dense, so it sinks in water. But a plastic bottle is light and less dense, so it floats. Even big ships can float because they're designed to spread out their weight over a large area. You can try this experiment at home. Just gather different objects, like a coin, a piece of wood, and a rubber ball. Then, put them in a bowl of water and see which ones sink and which ones float. It's a fun way to learn about density and discover why things behave the way they do in water. So, the next time you're at the pool or by a lake, remember the science behind sink or float. It's all about density.